but you say power of your voice. Now again, this thing you're putting, that is coming harm. Always. But what a voice are always. That is coming to harm. About that. I'm a finish. About that. Always. But when I'm putting in location, your power. It has worked together. It's happening not at all. So, if you don't give up Canada, it's a bloody possible. But my DNA says I do not belong here. But I'm going to have a demand. You are never finished. You are never in causes at home. You are never the prime ministers. Which was an enemy. Safama, Upamano, Guawa, Utagon. Safama, Upamano, Guawa, Utagon. I'm saying what I'm telling you. Safama, Upamano, Guawa, Utagon. Safama, Mawe, for the money does it. Safama, Mawe, for the money privilege. We are not sitting here. And that is the only person. And the guy, and the what did you mean? What did you do? Yes, or not? I'm so sorry. What are we so brave? What a cool enemy. What a lot of way. What did you happen? Surely goodness and mercy is following me. You won't give me an up. I will hear that nothing. You won't give me an up. I will hear that nothing. Someone will not know us alone. You won't give me an up. I will hear that nothing. Ibabele ithi awufaka umphongolo. Endlini kaDagona. Somebody shouted in Dagona. Somebody shouted in Dagona. Ufakile amafilisi awubeka. You all know the story ukuthi umphongolo wow uyisamdagona. The other day bawisandla bavusa. The other day bawikhanda. Then now they decided. I started to see things in the body as well. Amen. Now they decided. Somebody batande ka. They decided no lento esihleni nayo. Aliyoneki. The Bible lithi chapter number 7 bawuthatha umphongolo. Bahamba bayobuza bathi uma sifuna ukubuyisela senze njani? Uyasazi sithi uma sifuna ukubuyisela yakho siqale ukuzokwenza njani? Baloku akavaleki. Lokhu akavimbeki. Noma ngaphula into yakhe uyaqhubeka. Kuna lokho into engishiyo ngayo ingenza ngalama. Engathi ngadikela phakathi kwenu. Ukuthi whenever wakhuluma ngegama lakho let him be no peace until he comes to confess. Engathi ngadikela phakathi kwenu yakho. Lethi into wakhuluma ngegama lakho ngani. Esekwenza ukuthi kama into yakho inamandla kakhulu. Ingenza ngakwazi ukulala. Athi ngenze njalo ukulungisa lephutha. Ayeba salwana asabe noJehova othulayo. Asabe noJehova ongakhulumiyo. Asabe noJehova ongakhulumiyo. Engathi abeke bafihla amasivi yakho. Athi angeke usuphele. Unganyakaza bona. Athi sizokwenza kanjani. Ngoba uhamba phezulu yabantu. Until this person tengathikile abantu basekhaya. Ngiphengathi izulu lethule. Into yakhe ngabuyelanga kuwe. Tengathikile abantu basesulwini. Ukuthi ngathi izulu lethule. amafilisti kade decide